Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover determiner adjectives. There is a separate playlist of adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available in the description box below. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. What are determiner adjectives? Determiner adjectives only determine or identify which nouns are being referred to. They do not describe any quality of the nouns. We know that adjectives describe about noun or a pronoun, right? So here in determiner adjectives, what are we seeking is we are just determining or identifying. We are not recognizing or describing any quality of a noun. We are just identifying or determining that particular noun that we are referring to. Have a look at the example here. I bought 2 notebooks. I bought 2 notebooks. Now I told you they only determine, so it is determining the quantity in that particular sentence, right? The noun is notebooks and the adjective is 2. So how many notebooks? 2 notebooks. Similarly, in the next example, she is eating an apple. So with an apple we come to know that she is eating 1 apple, right? So therefore determiner adjectives only determine or identify the particular noun written in that sentence, and most of the times they are used attributively. That means that they are just placed before noun that they are modifying or they are describing. So present before you is the list of determiner adjectives which we'll do in this playlist one by one. So number 1 is quantitative adjective, second is numeral adjective, the third one is demonstrative adjective, fourth one is possessive adjective, fifth one is interrogative adjective, sixth one is distributive adjective, seventh one is article adjectives, and the eighth and the last one is emphatic adjective. So dear students, this section brings an end to today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box. You can check that out. Until we meet next time, keep learning, keep growing, keep educating yourself and spread positivity all around.